Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing an unboxing of my new camera, which is the Canon M50 Mark II, and this is a mirrorless camera. On the box it has a branding of Canon and some features about this camera that I will tell later in this video. So let's unbox this and check out what is there inside the box. First of all, we have a camera strap which many photographers use, and we also have purchased two spare batteries. We also get a kit lens with the camera inside the box, which is 15 mm to 45 mm kit lens. And a battery charger. As usual, we have a manual and a warranty card, and now we have the main camera itself, and looks very lightweight, and color theme is also very good, and its design and texture is very good. It has a lot of buttons. It has Canon and US branding on it, and as we know that Canon is a Japanese brand, and this is a made in Japan project, and I just told that it is a mirrorless camera. It means that it is not like a DSLR which has a mirror which protects the sensor of the camera. So now
now. This is, as you know, this is made in Japan. Canon is a Japanese company, and this product is made in Japan. And just give you a brief. So let's open this. So as I just told that it's a mirrorless camera, so it does not have a mirror right there, just a sensor. Let's keep it the same because it can be exposed to sunlight and all. So let's attach the kit lens to the camera body. First of all, see how it looks at the back.
just have to match the two white dots on the camera and on the lens, and now just rotate it. So let's unlock the lens. This camera also has a flip up display, and it is written made in Japan, made in Tokyo. So let's check out the ports and buttons on the right side. On the right side, it has a HDMI port for data transfer, and plus it has Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth so that you can transfer data wirelessly. It also has an audio port for connecting external headphones. I have also purchased a memory card which is Extreme Pro 128 GB. This camera shoots 4K, so you have to buy a good memory card.
So let's just turn on this camera from this button. As you can see, this light is pink. And now we'll just open the screen. As I told, this screen is flippable. Let's just extend this, unlock the lens. Now by default it is in a auto mode, so it will adjust everything by itself. And let us just look at different modes. We will be looking at them, and you see it's a very good screen. It's a very good touch screen too. And let's just turn it off for a moment. So this is the viewfinder. This is actually a plus it has a sensor. So let's check different ports in this. First one in here, this is a video recording button, and this, if you are recording in any format or in any mode, you can just record the video. And this is the shutter button. You can shutter release button. You can click photo mode, and this is the wheel. You can just change settings and all. This is the menu button, means F button, and there are different modes of this. You see, there are different modes, or like automatic mode, auto mode, program mode, and shutter priority, aperture priority, manual mode, video mode, screen mode, and many more. So first of all, you can see we are going to start. Now this is I will do the photo. So you can see the photo has in the photograph. The images come very good, and it is kind of in auto mode. I have clicked in auto mode, but we'll try to click most of the photos in manual mode. It is good in manual mode. So and very good.
We also captured some images using this camera in the sunlight in the afternoon, and they were really good. And the brightness of this camera was also good. So friends, if you want to know the specifications of this mirrorless camera, you can just read the video description below. I have detailedly explained everything in there.
So friends, now we have also purchased a new mic for vlogging. That is, most of you will be knowing it. What is it for? Let me just show it to you. This is a Boya MM1 microphone. It's a shortcut microphone. Mostly the people use it for vlogging because it has a good dead cat at the air. And if we just remove this dead cat, you can also use it by removing it. So I removed this, and now this is the main microphone. You can see. So now we will be just I will just be telling you how you can just use your Boya MM1 microphone with your camera, with the Canon M50 Mark II or any other camera. Mirrorless camera. So first of all, you will be just installing, setting up this on the hot shoe mount at there. First of all, we have to unscrew this and just slide the at there, and then just unscrew this tightly, so that it can not lose and it is not fall down. Now what we'll be doing, we will be just turning on the camera. You have to just change the setting, or you have to make a settings in the your mirrorless camera to just make your microphone work, or you can do for doing the video recording. First I have switched to video recording mode now, and what we'll be doing first, you have to go to menu mode on this camera. Here menu mode, you can see, click on the menu mode, and then you can see the screen. And now what you have to do, you have to go to the start menu and sound recording menu, click on that, and you can see, so the sound recording that is done, that it is doing in the video recording, so it is from the internal mic. And sometimes the internal mic is not good of the mirrorless cameras, but I have installed Boya mic, so I will be working on that. So sound recording is doing on auto. So click on auto. You have 3 options available: auto, manual, disable. And first try click on manual, so that the audio that will be recording in this camera will be off this mic. So now what we have to do, first of all, we have to use auto. Now what we will be doing, we also get a cable or 3.5 cable with this for connecting the microphone with your mobile. And I just forgot to told you that this microphone works with many devices. You can use your Android phone, iOS phone, and cameras and all, and mirrorless cameras and all. You can use it. So first of all, just connect the cable tightly. So as you can see, I connected the microphone with the camera, F2 mount, and now I will be sound recording, and now it will be manual. So if you just go from auto to manual, now the video recorder mic it will be connected by this. Now everything is done, the settings and all is done with this camera. So let's take this out and record with this Canon M50, and let me show you the final video. So to protect this camera, because it's a very sensitive and the screen is always sensitive and body also, to safeguard this, we have to purchase the rubber case, or rubber cover to protect this around this. So now this is purchased separately. It comes around 2,000 or less than it. You can purchase it on the market, and it's usually useful. I found it very useful using it, and it's good. And also we have to hold this mirrorless camera. We have purchased this Gorilla Pod, normal Gorilla Pod, which is very good quality. As many of people use this only for vlogging, and it's very good for vlogging. So let's just install this too. So I have just attached the Gorilla Pod to this camera, and I just set this up. So I have some table camera, and it is a very good setup being made, and it's a very good easy setup, vlogging setup that we will be using in our later videos. And in this setup, I think that the final video will be very good of this, and it's really nice.